Dude, now I'm going to tell about different 3D shapes and how to find out volumes of different 3D shapes like this one. All three sides us, all three edges us 1 unit. Now, so the edge length going to be 1 unit. Now let's find out the volume of the cube. 1 minute, I come back. Now you need to find out the volume of this cube. Volume of this cube can be written as a cube, that is the side length cube. So it's going to become, here the side length is 1 unit, so it is 1 cube, means 1 times of 1 times of 1. 1 times of 1 is 1, again 1 times of 1 is 1. 1 cubic units is the volume of this cube. Let's take another cube, and in this cube they have given all edges of the cube as 2 units. Here length, breadth, height, everything is 2 units. Here also you need to find out what's the volume of the cube. To find out, they have given edge length as 2 units. You can find it out. Volume of the cube can be written as a cube, that is edge length times of edge length times of edge length. You need to multiply the edge length 3 times. So a cube means you're going to get, here the side length is 2 units, so it is 2 cube. 2 cube is nothing but 2 times of 2 times of 2. 2 times of 2 is 4. 4 times of 2 is 8. So this is going to become 8 cubic units is the volume of that cube. Let's take one more cube, and in this cube they have given like this, and here they have given, in this cube they have given all edge length of the cube as 5 units. When all edge length is 5 units, you need to find out what's the volume of the cube when the edge length is 5 units. You can find it out even here. Volume of the cube as a cube. Here a is the edge length. So it's going to become 5 cube. 5 cube means, here you can start by writing 5 times of 5 times of 5. 5 times of 5 is 25. 25 times of 5, which is 125. So this is going to become 125 cubic units is the actual volume of this cube. Let's take one more cube, and in this cube they have given like this, all edges of the cube they have given us 7 units. So the length, breadth, height, all of them remains as 7 units. You need to find out what's the volume of the cube. You can do it out. Volume of the cube can be written as a cube, that is the edge length times of edge length times of edge length cube. So it's going to become 7 cube. 7 cube means you need to multiply 7 by itself 3 times. 7 times of 7 times of 7. 7 times of 7 is 49. 49 times of 7. 5 times of 7 is 350. 49 times of 7 is 343. So this is going to become 343 cubic units, that is the volume of this cube. Let's take one more cube, and in this cube they have given this thing, that is, after taking this cube you're going to get all edges of the cube as 10 units. You're going to get all edges of the cube as 10 units, and so we need to find out what's the volume. Here edge length is 10 units. Now you can find out the volume of the cube as same formula of a cube, that means side length times of side length times of side length, so it becomes 10 cube. 10 cube means 10 times of 10 times of 10. 10 times of 10 is 100. 100 times of 10, which becomes 1000. So this is going to become 1000 cubic units is the volume of this cube. Let's take the next shape. Next shape I'm going to take is the cuboid. If you take any cuboid, If you take any cuboid, you can get it like this. That is here length, breadth and height. They have given length, breadth and height as 1, 2, 3 units. So the volume of this cuboid you can find it out as length times of breadth times of height. Those three are 1 times of 3 times of 2, or you can write it as 1 times of 2 times of 3. 1 times of 2, which is 2, 2 times of 3 is 6. So you can take it as 6 cubic units is the volume of this cuboid. Let's take one more cuboid. And in this cuboid, they have given like this, that is all the edges, different edges as 1 unit, height also 1 unit, and the breadth as 2 units. Here also you need to find out what's the volume. Volume of this cuboid also the same thing, length times of breadth times of height. So it's going to become length, breadth and height. 1 times of this one is 2. 1 times of 1 is 1 and 1 times of 2 is 2. So 2 cubic units is the volume of this cuboid. Let's take one more cuboid. And in this cuboid they have given like this. Here they have given the side lengths as edge lengths as length, breadth and height as 1 unit and 5 unit. Even here you need to find out what's the volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid even here is length times of breadth times of height. So it is 1 times of 1 times of 5. 1 times of 1 is 1, 1 times of 5 is 5. So it becomes 5 cubic units. Let's take one more this one. Here one more cuboid you're going to get. They have given 1, 2, 3. That means they have given this one as length, breadth and height as 1, 2, 5. So you're going to get this one as you need to find out what's the volume. Volume of this cuboid also same, length times of breadth times of height. So this is 1 times of 2, 5 times of 2. 1 times of 2 times of 5. This one becomes 1 times of 2, 2 times of 5 is 10. 10 cubic units. Let's take last one cuboid. And this cuboid they have given us the dimensions as 2, 5 and 10. 2 units, 5 units and 10 units. Here also you need to find out what's the volume. Volume of even this cuboid is same, length times of breadth times of height. So you're going to get this one as this is length 2 times of 5 times of 10. 2 times of 5 is 10. 10 times of 10 is 100. So this is 100 cubic units is the volume of this cuboid. Next, I'm going to tell how to find out the cylinder. If you take a formula for finding out volume of a cylinder, it's going to be like this. That is, the area of the base is pi r square times of this perpendicular height h. So pi r square h becomes the volume of the cylinder. Now let's find out what's the volume of the cone. Volume of the cone can be found out as the same way, that is pi r square h, but since it steeps down it becomes 1/3 of pi r square h. You need to find out what's the volume of a ball or the sphere. You can find it even that one. Volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. That's the volume of the sphere. I keep on telling more things in next video. Now bye.